let us learn Salmonellosis. It is an infection or illness with Salmonella bacteria, commonly caused by contaminated food and water. Let us have a look on the Salmonella bacteria. These are gram-negative, non-spore forming rods that ferment glucose usually with gas but do not ferment lactose or sucrose. It is a rod-shaped bacterium having microscopic hair-like structures called as flagella, which are involved in the locomotion of a cell. Now move towards the sources of Salmonella. Human beings and animals like dog, swine, cat are directly or indirectly serve the sources of the contamination of food with these bacteria. From these sources, the bacteria can spread to humans either directly or indirectly. For example, it can spread to people directly when they eat contaminated meat and poultry products like egg that are not cooked properly. About 1/3 of all the food products involved in the Salmonella outbreaks are meat and poultry products. They can also spread through direct contact with infected animals or their environment. Salmonella can also spread indirectly by contaminating water, other food, utensils like knife and cutting boards, or the hands of someone who handles food. Salmonella is one of the common cause of foodborne disease in the world. The next important point is the favorable conditions for these bacteria. So, the minimal temperature for the growth in food is from 6.7 to 7.8 degrees Celsius, while the maximum temperature is about 45.6 degrees Celsius. They grow well at room temperatures, but their optimum temperature is about 37 degrees Celsius. The pH range for the growth is 4.1 to 9.0. The water activity for the growth is about 0.93 to 0.95. So what is Salmonella cause? It can cause two broad types of diseases depending on the type of Salmonella that causes the infection, and these are typhoidal and non-typhoidal. So let us have a close look. The typhoid is caused by Salmonella typhi, while paratyphoid fever is caused by either Salmonella paratyphi A, B or C. When these bacteria are ingested, they can enter into the bloodstream. After the incubation period is the time period between the ingestion of bacteria till the appearance of first symptom. So it is 7 to 28 days for typhoid, while it is 1 to 15 days for paratyphoid. After the incubation period, the symptoms like nausea, vomiting, abdominal pain, diarrhea, headache and chills, nosebleed, slow pulse rate, constipation, bleeding from bowel and rose spots may arise. Now, the non-typhoid. These are typically characterized by gastroenteritis, and it is commonly caused by Salmonella enteritidis. The incubation period for these outbreaks are 5 to 72 hours, but symptoms may occur between 12 to 36 hours. And the symptoms are usually a diarrhea, abdominal pain, vomiting, fever and dehydration. So, how can we prevent these outbreaks? Because Salmonella is mainly foodborne disease, therefore one of the most important ways of preventing Salmonella is in food safety. So there are number of ways through which we can achieve this, including making sure food preparation areas are clean. In the prevention of contamination, care and cleanliness in food handling and preparation are important. The food handler should be healthy and clean. Then, separating raw and cooked food. Paying special attention to held over foods and protect them from contaminating with raw food. Then, the destruction of the organism in food by means of heat, as by cooking thoroughly and pasteurization. Using safe water and raw material to prepare food. It is very important to wash hand, especially before handling food, during food preparation, after using toilet, and after contact with the animals or those who are sick. Salmonella infection can be spread through infected person as long as the bacteria are present in their feces. So it is important that the infected person should not prepare food for others if they have symptoms. Next one is seek medical advice. Then and then they can go back to their work. This is especially important for food handlers. So this is all about salmonellosis. Thank you.